Kevin.
Hey.
Kevin, that wasn't nice.
Mom.
Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Why not? No.
I don't make me wet you.
Kevin, I think it's time for bed. Yes, it's time for bed. You're being naughty. Are you being naughty? Is it time for bed? Are you gonna be a good boy?
Hier, hier zijn